Put it down. Again. Back of the line. Win! Ah! Take the money. No, take the money and leave the bottle. Yeah, lean it up on the side here. That is it. No, you have to try again. Try again. Try again. Hold that baton, mark it with it. Wrong. Take it up, put it down. Somebody else, right at the back of the line. How easy, big up and respect, you don't know. Look good, look good. Hold that baton, look good, watch out. Crazy amount of people are sitting. We're there. Massive, you don't know. It's a market edition in a World Baton. You don't know rain fall all over Jamaica and sitting. So we are going to actually keep it like this. So you don't know. See the game here. Right in a World Baton. In the market with it. Look good. So we are going to do it as a right now in a World Baton. Just match the buckle. You understand? We call it wrong and right. You understand? If you get the wrong color with the buckle with the round pan this side, yeah? You understand? Versus the one with the inner so. You understand? If you color on the right, you're wrong. You understand? If you're right, you put down, you leave it back up on the table and you take the money. So we just a giveaway. So right now we have some people in a, what's your name?
Me.
What's your name?
Jennifer.
Jennifer. Who we have over here? What's your name?
Janice.
Who we have here, sir?
Paulette.
Who we have right now, sir?
Doreen.
Who we have here?
Chung.
Hold on, how much? 1, 2. We have one next one over here, so where there?
Sideway.
Sideway?
Yes, sideway.
A sideway then, Carla? All right, a sideway. Who else we have? Come in, man. We want some more people in the line. Who else we have in the line? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have one more somebody before we start. So massive, we are going to look for start right now. And we're there in a World market, in a World town. And we are going to have some fun while we give us some money. See? That is it. So I see game on TikTok and I decide so we are going to do it in a Jamaican style. Jamaican real way. See? So let's do this and make we set up the camera the right way. I'm hard sitting. All right, massive. So we set up and thing, you know, me have to go verify a few little things to make sure, say, then shuffle the right way. You understand? And them in line and thing, yeah. So we have some line at the top to make sure, say, them no miss. You understand? That is it. So what you are going to go on now over there, so we are doing it the right way. Big up to all the people them we are watch it all over the world and thing. Yeah, that is it. All right. No joke, no doubt. Figure that. And then shuffle up. Make sure run us up. Totally different and thing. Whole heap of money. See it? Nice and easy. Alright. So listen to the rules again. You're going to pick up a bottle at the front. And you're going to pick a spot on the top. And place the bottle. If it's correct with the same color underneath, I'm going to say correct. You take the money, leave the bottle. If I say wrong, you take up back the bottle and put it back down and go to the back of the line. All right? If you win, you take the money and you try again. Okay? All right. So, we're going to watch the first person at the front and see what they're going to do. And let's do this. Hold that baton. Go. Wrong. Take up the bottle, put it down. Great. Back of the line. Your time now, lady in yellow. Let's do it. Whoa! First win of $1,000. Take the money. So take the money. You take up the money. And you try again. No, leave this bottle here. You try again. Yeah. Try another buckle. Wrong. Take it up. Put it back down. Go to the back of the line. That is it. Pick a bottle. Oh, yes. She read the game. Wrong. Take it up. Back of the line. That is it. Pick a buckle. Whoa! Correct. Take the money. Take the money. And leave the bottle. Yeah, take the money. Yeah. Try again. No, don't go away. Try again. Try again, man. Wrong. Take it up. That is it. Back of the line. Go on now. Go through. Let's do this. Wrong. Take it up. Be quiet. Put it down. Again. Back of the line. Win. Take the money. No, take the money and leave the bottle. Yeah, lean it up on the side here. That is it. No, you have to try again. Try again. Try again. Hold that baton, mark it with it. Wrong. Take it up, put it down. Somebody else, right at the back of the line. Go through now, Rasta. Let me see if Rasta can do it the right way. Wrong. Take it up. All right, that is it. Your chance now, my G. Your try. Wrong. Take it up, back of the line. All right, make us see now. Wrong. Take it up, back of the line. Come on, let's move, man. Let's move faster, man. Hey, to get nice. Wrong. Take it up. Back of the line. Wrong. Take it up. Sit down. Yes, man. Let's go. Back of the line, my friend. Back of the line. Remember, keep the line. Keep the line. Wrong. Take it up. Take this up. Put it back down. Oh, yeah. Sorry. Put that back there. Yeah. So we have to agree at start. Some people are win some money. Wrong. Take it up. Take it up. That is it. Let's go. Let's go. Am I read the game now? I could see if I read the game now. Keep the line. Look, girl. Look, you have to go back. Go that way, please. Me no, don't talk a game. You're not talking game. It does match. But that's how you go win. Take the money. Fix. Put it back like the edge. Put it back like the edge. Like all the rest of them stay. No. Chung. Look where I go on, man. Right. Play again. Listen me now. Listen. Chung. Oh, God. Oh, God. Try again. Try again. Just play. Wrong. Take up that. Put it down. Go on, Meji. Wrong. Take it up. Wrong. Take it up. Right at the back of the line. Quick and fast. Wrong. Take it up. The down. Back of the line. Let's go. Let's go. Wrong. Take it up. 4 winners so far. Enough money there, Penny. Yeah, Ras. No, you can't put in a spot of somebody else there again. For that you lose a try now. Go on the back of the line. Because you're supposed to see blank spot. Yeah. A long time you give out the instructions. Wrong. Take it up. Back of the line. Come on, man. Come on, man. We now remember. Wrong. Take it up. Let me see how go on now. Yes, look at you. I could say wrong. Take it up. Put it down. See now. Wrong. Take it up. Back of the line. Come in. Wrong. Take it up. Voila, I could see what go on. Look again now. Going on the line. Come in now. I could see now. Wrong. Take it up. Yeah. Oi. Nobody not trouble the black one. One not like black. Wrong. Take it up. Let me see if you're gonna win or no. Wrong. Take it up. Wrong. Take it up. Wrong. Take it up. Wrong. Take it up. Back of the line. Back of the line. Wrong. Take it up. Man, I read the game. Wrong. Take it up. Yeah. Let's go. Pressure, pressure. Soup, soup. Wrong. Take it up. Ready. Win. Take the money there. Come on, no join me. No give them the hint, man. Try again. Don't go. You have to try again. Don't say it. Ready again. Pick a backer. Wrong. Put it down. Make a fix the money. Yeah. Play. Run through. Wrong. Take it up. Lord of mercy. Make we see now. Wrong. Take it up. Wrong. Take it up. Wrong. Take it up. Wrong. Take it up. Back of the line. Back of the line. You can't stay right there, sir. Wrong. Take it up. Come on, man. This is a game I should have done already. Come on, man. Let's see. Whoa! Take the money. Yes, take the money. Win, man. Take the money. See there at the front. Peel it off. Yeah. Try again now. Come in at the line. Wrong. Take it up. Back at the line. Let's see if she'll go win. Yeah! Take the money. Try again now. Let me see if you'll get. Let me see if you get the money extra. 2 left. Da. Come here. 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3. Wrong. Take it up. All right. Make us see what go on now. Let's go. Let's go. Wrong. You know, remember, you know, you use the same back there already. Same spot. Come on, back of the line. Back of the line. Me are into no. Oh, God. 1. Yeah. No. Mommy, you have the behind now. Rasta the behind the little boy there for real. No. Also? All right then. Go through. Win. That is it. Take the money there. Take the money there. All right. Voila, no, Sija, the sweet, you know. Try again. Try again. Win. Take the money. Ah! Leave the back and take the money. All right, great. So, when you see it, so there's a dud. Voila, no go for the whole big prize, man. I no win. All right. So, good game. So, that is the first one. We are going to do one next one. So, here we are going to go on now. All I person, them will never win, stay in our line. We are going to do it again. We are going to load up back the board. Let's do this. Yes, so right now, we are set up for the next game. So right now in the line, we have all our person from the first game. We never did win. Zin? And then we get some new people. How much people we have in our line now? 8 of them. Alright, so I don't know me general the writers and monitor crowd for me make sure say only persons who we put in at the line are going to play. You understand? So we're going to kickstart the ball again. Nice and easy. You understand? What is on? You ready? Yes. I'm not so excited, man. I free money up on the board. That is it, man. So we actually put some youngsters in our line too and things. So all you're going to do, me repeat the instructions again to the new persons them. All you're going to do is pick up a bottle right here. Put it into one of these spots here. If it matches with the same color with the bottle underneath, you win. If it don't, You pick up the bottle and you put it back down here and go. Once you win, you try again. Alright? Alright? Yes. Good. Even if you win or you lose, you go to the back of the line. Alright? That is it. So, are you ready? Yes. That is it. Kick it off, soldier. Go. Wrong. Back of the line, me G. Wrong. Take it up. Back of the line. Put it down. Wrong. Take it up. Back of the line. Wrong. Take it up. Back of the line. Whoa, win, man. Take the money. Take the money. Not that one. Right, take that one. And no, leave the bottle. Leave the bottle. Put it at the corner, right? And you try again with another bottle. Wrong. Take it up. Put it down and go to the back of the line. Wrong. Take it up. Win, Paulette! Whoa! Take the money there. Take the money. Leave the bottle. Leave that bottle. Try again. No, you can't put at the same spot. No, I make you lose your try like me do the back. Take up the bucket there. Go at the back of the line. You have to put it in at the empty spot. No, leave that. Back of the line. Come on, orderly fashion, orderly fashion. Go on, me general. Wrong. Take it up. Now take up the bottle, put it down. Yes, me G. Win a money, man. Come the man. Oh, finally. That is it, me G. Try again, try again. Oh, you mean? Try again, me teacher. Wrong. Take it up. You're in the back of the line. Now fix the back good. Let me see where you're putting it. Wrong. Take it up. Go through now, me could see. Hey, yeah. Come through, Rasta man. Come on, man. 5, 4, 3, 2. Wrong. Take it up. Back of the line. Let's go, let's go. Come on, man. Wrong. Take it up. No, sir. Back of the line. Don't lose a spot. Win. Hey, take the money. No, you go again. You have to try again, try again. Try again. Wrong. Take it up. Wrong. Take it up. Five, 4, 3, 2. Wrong. Take it up. Back of the line. Let's go, let's go. Wrong. Take it up. Back of the line. Oh gosh. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, me not go give that one there, no. Cause she run us and say no. May I make you shuffle them. As a matter of fact, I back I line if you make him go and switch them back there. No, you can't do that, my friend. You can't do that. You give away. Cause see my pull on the back of one spot and him say no, and see him change. Alright. So try again. Take off the money them. Come on, man. I could do some little principle in I think. We can't help them. Ready again. Go on, my little friend. No, me never want him lose him try now. Make him come back, come try again. When there? No, I want him try back again. Try look, I will mix up a buckle them. Try again. Wrong. Take it up. Wrong. Take it up. Sit down. We can't help them.
One more try. You have disqualify yourself.
One more try.
Wrong. Take it up. Come on now, man. Me a bang for you, man. Win. Wrong. Jesus, peace. No man, go on the back of the line. Go on the back of the line. Wait. That is it, man. Try again. No, yeah, 3 times you win and still I do the same thing. Come on, man. Try a different backer. Wrong. Take it up. Let's go. Wrong. Take it up. All right, Paul. Let me go see what I go on now. 5, 4. Wrong. Take it up. With the stress out. Come in. No, come in out back of the line, please. Make you go. Go on, MJ. Wrong. Take up cheese and peace. Listen, when you're wrong, take up the bottle. Try again, MJ. Go on. Wrong. Back of the line. Wrong. Wrong. Come again, man. Your luck might be there. No, man, this game so finished. Come in, man. Come in, Rasta. Win, Rasta. Yes, Rasta. All the money. Try again. Lord, didn't take down the buckle. Leave the buckle, they will win. Take up one from there. Go on now. Wrong. Take it up. Wrong. Take it up. Back of the line. Oh, me not see line. Me not see line. Form the line. Wrong. Take it up. Wrong. Take it up. Whoa. Give sweet boy. Five, 4, 3, 2. No, you lose a try for that because empty spot. You've been not doing right in your whole game. Back of the line. Back of the line. Come again, MJ. 5, 4. Wrong. Yeah. Go. Wrong. Me I go see if you're not going to win now because me not say no. Wrong. You're not think for true. You're not think for true. And two somebody use the same buckle and put them 2 spots. There's a 1 in left. And does you put the same buckle in other spot? Come again. Go there back eye line. Back eye line. Two somebody use the same buckle and go 2 different spots. Just use the same buckle and go at other spot. Wrong. Yeah, you can't. If you leave a game, you can't hit that fear, no. You can't. Run, go on. May I make you go back if you are spot no pass. Wrong. Back of the line. Win. Yes, you take the. No, him in there. Me don't remember him. No, him never did in the line. No, him in there. All right. Him said them send it in there. Wrong. Because I see 2 times and I not see him. I make you watch out for the little girl. Win. Take the money, pilot. Win again. All right, that is it. Oh God! So I say, big up on yourself and respect. We just give somebody that over town. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, One Jamaica Walk By. Follow us on Jamaica Walk By TV on TikTok, and make sure say you subscribe to Jamaica Walk By YouTube channel. You can also follow us on Instagram at Jamaica Walk By. Alright, mad love. If you actually love and enjoy the game, please my beg you like the video. Drop some comment in the comment section. Yeah, me know say stressing out and it rough, but we did it right and it was a great game. Big up to all my all our people them. Mad love, mad respect. We outside. Sin mad thing.